So traffic generation, now that you have your opt-in form set up, you understand the process of having an ethical bribe. You need to have an ethical bribe, meaning an offer that people want to sign up for. You need to have a squeeze page or a landing page set up, and there is technical training that you could go through that will teach you how to set those up. But we'll go into traffic generation. Traffic is the key to growing your list. That involves blogging as well. So traffic is the key to growing your list. We'll start with blogging. And this is where traffic to your blog can be added to your email list. You can have it in the right hand side. You could have it at the end of each one of your blog posts. You could have pop-ups that show up as they come to your blog, like that How to Break 80 one that we were showing you. At the end of your blog post, you could invite people to sign up to your list. Content marketing is absolutely huge. This is where you could do article marketing and syndication to get content out there. Good quality, highly relevant content. Video marketing, where you actually create videos around your niche market. Create exercise videos. Create videos of you preparing food if that's a niche you're in. Create videos explaining ways and exercises and methods people can use to decrease their back pain or the issues they're suffering from. Videos showing people certain products that you've reviewed, herbal supplements that have helped you with certain ailments. You could do podcasting where you talk about the benefits of going into, with certain different products and using them. Doing a product launch. The product launch is great for building a list because it builds up your list of buyers. You get buyers' names and emails. You also would have an exit pop set up. So as you're getting all this traffic from affiliates, because once you have a product, you can get affiliates to promote for you. And you're actually getting these affiliates to promote, and then they're putting in their name and email, and people are actually signing up for your offer. Pop-ups, again, for people leaving your sales page, great way to build a list up. Paid advertisements, media buys, Facebook ads, those are huge ways to get traffic. There's a lot of traffic in media buys. Media buys are banner ads on quality relevant sites. If you are in the golf niche, it would make sense to go out to a golf magazine or a popular golf website like Golf Digest, or go out to another website that's big, a big blog in your space, or even a golf forum, and buy up a banner ad on their site, or offer to, exchange some way that you could get a banner ad purchased on these highly relevant websites. Facebook ads is another great source. Facebook is an absolutely amazing source for traffic that you do not want to be missing out on. And so Facebook ads is another avenue to pursue. Solo ads is another great way to build your email list. That's where you actually purchase email advertising from people in whatever niche market you're in. A lot of times this is more common in like the Forex and the stock trading and the internet marketing niche, but that's where you go up and you say, hey, I have an email, I have this free offer here that I think is relevant to your subscribers, and I would like to run an ad. How much would you, charge me to send an email to your list? What would the cost be? And you could also say, hey, I'm willing to pay 25 cents per click or 50 cents per click. And can you send me 500 clicks, or can you send me 300 clicks? And that's a great way to send them straight to a squeeze page, and you automatically, from one solo ad, let's say you do a 200 click solo ad, you could automatically right there get about, anywhere from 100 to 120 new subscribers that you could then promote to and get people to opt in. And if you get people to instantly purchase an affiliate offer, maybe you get a fraction of them to do that. You're kind of paying for the advertisement as you're building your list. Solo ads are great. You do need to be careful there because there are, sites, and that's where I would recommend, instead of going to the big social ad websites where people are actually doing like big social ads, like ad swap sites and those kind of things, what I would do, or safe dash swaps, that's another popular one, I would kind of steer clear of those, but I would actually go out to easing articles and find people in your niche market that have an email list, that look like they're building up an email list, and send them an email and say, hey, look, I would like to purchase a solo ad from you. And so these are all strategies you can employ to get traffic to build up your list. Next, we're going to talk all about product creation. We've talked about that as a viable income strategy, but I wanted to go into more detail for you so you could understand how to create your own product for your niche market.